Hello guys! This is what I got from Chanel today. It's a bag. The latest collection. This, I think it's spring and summer collection. Look at the packaging. Perfect. Actually, this is my first Chanel. This is the receipt and the tax free. I don't know how to open this one. We just open it. I don't know. Like this. You can have it like that. Just kidding. Well, anyway, mag-Tagalog ko, mag-Bisaya unsa ba? Akong first na Chanel. Charan. Chanel. Packaging yan. And then it's still like this. My best friend Evelyn is the one taking the video. This is the beauty queen. Look at that CC, guys. CC here, CC here, CC there, CC overall. This is a caviar leather actually. This is a mini type or the small one size. Oh, I just forget it. I'm just excited to do it. Unbox this one. For your info, we've been to 4 Chanel store yesterday or 1, today 3. Oh, it's hard to find this item. Oh my god, it's all sold out. It came with this one. This is the Chanel here. Yeah. Not as much. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. Well, anyway, the second item I bought is this one. They don't have in the other stores as well. 3 stores before. This is the 4th store we have been in Paris. A lot of sacrifices, guys. A lot of queue. Standing, well, in Lafayette we waited like 2 to 3 hours, I guess. Mag-Bisaya na po ko, mag-Tagalog, whatever. But anyways, this is the second item I bought. It comes with a Chanel pouch, something like that. This one, or whatsoever, what is that? This is the cutest card holder. Look at that CC. In caviar as well. Matchy matchy. Mwah. Bonjour.